Welcome back to my video. Are you facing problems like this or that? Here are some steps to solve this problem. Open your YouTube app. Firstly, check your internet. Maybe slow internet? Next, open YouTube app info. Tap on storage and clear cache. Next step. In Play Store, open YouTube and uninstall. Then again, install YouTube app. Here you can see. Update option app here, you can update. And finally, check your YouTube app is working. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more informational videos. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.